Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. This is my tip of the day. Despite me recording this in the evening, it's quite dark out, but yes, this does get released at 7 a.m. UK time, so bear with me. I'm just going to share my screen with you guys because today's tip of the day is quite an important one, I feel. So I've made some notes. I've added it to just a Word document so I can share that with you. Let me just grab that here. Okay, so I want you to ask yourself these three questions, okay, because I feel it's super important. So if you want to build a solid business foundation, you need to be answering these questions. So who are you serving, right? So just think about who your perfect customer is. What are you serving? What product or service are you offering to your perfect customer? And does it align? How are you going to get them results? More specifically, what's the destination? Okay, you need to serve them the destination, not the actual journey. So think of it in the way of, I don't know, going to the cinema. It's not the actual car journey to the cinema that excites you. It's the actual destination of watching that movie you've wanted to see for so long. It's going on holiday. It's not the airplane. It's the actual destination of sitting on that beach, listening to those waves, watching your kids play in the sea. That's the destination you need to be selling and talking about in your content, because that's the value. That's ultimately that's fixing the pain point for somebody, right? So for me, like I've made some notes here. So personally, I'm serving midlifers the ability to get more time with their family by automating an online business so they can replace one or maybe even two of their jobs that they hate. Right, I'm also serving families the ability to get free holidays because their online business has paid for it. Like exactly what's happened to me this year. First time it happened this year, we went to Italy as a family, paid for the flights, paid for the accommodation, paid for the spending money, completely covered by my online business. That's what I'm serving to my audience because I'm in my 50s. My target audience are probably 45 to 60. Okay, so we all want the same thing. We want a bit of freedom, we want time freedom, financial freedom. I'm also serving busy parents who are exhausted but want and need more income, okay, without impacting their family time. Because let's be honest, we've got busy lives anyway. But what I'm serving my audience is a process that I follow, which is my income producing activities for a certain program I'm involved with, that allows you to make an additional income online without having to create all your own digital products, without having to build a whole business, because not everybody wants that. Yes, I've got options for people who want to do that, but it's not for everybody. Some people just want to get this up and running really quickly, and they want a done for you product that's going to educate them and give them something to resell so they can earn 100% profit quickly online. So they can start making an income before Christmas or before their birthday or before the summer holidays. This is what I'm serving my audience. An easy fix to get started with an online business by following a simple step-by-step process. So when you know who your customers are, you need to then go and serve them. Find out what their pain points are. What problem do they have? And what problem can you solve for them by giving them a service or a product that gets them to that destination with ease. It's not the journey, it's the destination. Focus on that, guys. That is all you need to be focusing on to fix your business. If you're not making sales, that's probably why. Doesn't need to be complicated. Okay, keep it simple. And then that is the one thing that really helped me. And I'm sure it's the one thing that's going to make a hell of a difference to your business as well. So I hope you've enjoyed that tip of the day today. Please subscribe, leave a comment, drop a like in as well if you wouldn't mind just giving that bit of a tick, and click on that bell as well, because that's going to give you the daily notifications of my tip of the day. So any questions, guys, please reach out. I'll leave a link below. If you want to reach out to me, you're more than welcome to do so, and I'll see you for tomorrow's tip of the day. Take care.